Hi friends, this is Dinisha and welcome to my channel Dianzz Paradize. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come up with the recipe of a perfect red velvet cupcake with cream cheese frosting. This is my personal favorite as well. So quickly let's check out the recipe. We will start with making the buttermilk first, for which I'm taking half cup of milk. To this add half teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix and keep it aside. We'll need white chocolate ganache for the frosting, for which I'm taking half cup of white chocolate. To this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot fresh cream. Mix until they become smooth. Once done, cover and let this cool down completely. Moving on to the dry ingredients. Into 1 cup of all-purpose flour add half tablespoon of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and sieve the mixture. Into another bowl, put 50 grams of soft unsalted butter. Blend the butter on high speed until they become lighter and soft. In between, don't forget to clean the sides of the bowl. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep blending on high speed until the butter changes the color. Into the butter goes 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Keep blending on high speed until they become nice and soft. Into this goes 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Add sugar little by little at a time and blend on high speed. The mixture has now become double in size and looking perfect. Now take 1 large egg and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. Put this to the butter mixture and blend for another 30 seconds. This is the texture we are looking for. To the buttermilk, add 1½ teaspoon of liquid red color and mix. I know it's a lot of color, but this is a red velvet cake and we'll have to add color to this. Now to the butter sugar mix, add the sifted dry ingredients along with the buttermilk in batches. Like I always say, mix them on low speed until they are just combined. Do not overmix, else all the air will escape that we incorporated in our butter, making our cupcakes hard and dry. Once done, there is a final step to follow. To half teaspoon of baking soda, add half teaspoon of white vinegar and mix. And put this into the batter and combine this quickly. The batter is ready. The cupcake tin is lined with the cupcake liners. fill them around 3/4 with the batter. Tap it few times and then bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. The cupcakes are baked perfectly. Let this cool down completely before we ice them. For the icing, take about 1 cup of cold whipping cream. Whip this on high speed until they reach soft peaks. In another bowl, add half cup soft cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Blend to make them smooth. Give a quick mix to the white chocolate ganache that we prepared earlier. Put the white chocolate ganache and the cream cheese to the whipped cream and blend. The icing is ready. Transfer it to a piping bag with your favorite nozzle and pipe on your cupcakes. All the details regarding the nozzle used and the brand of the red food color used and the measure of the ingredients in grams as well as in cups will be available in the description below. Add your favorite sprinkles on top and the cupcakes are ready. If you're liking this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're trying my recipe, then don't forget to share me your feedback in the comments below. Let me cut and show you how they look from inside. They are absolutely soft and goes perfect with the frosting. Do give this recipe a trial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipe videos. See you all soon with another exciting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.